Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the meat stall. I finally got that Blackstone griddle that I've been wanting to get for a while. Today I'm gonna be unboxing it and putting it together, and then I'm gonna put together some street tacos and some quesadillas. All right, stay tuned. Oh, also I will be seasoning it as well. All right.
Okay. Turn me up a little bit.
This year's 36-inch Blackstone. I got it earlier this week, but my work schedule, I wanted to wait till a day that I was off, and I had a chance to just really open it up and season it up. Just basically take my time with it, get to know the grill. But I'm going to take these straps off here. I'm going to cut these up and open it up. Cut these straps. Knife it down. Let's get into it. My box a little beat up. I hope it doesn't affect my thing. Okay. You got your owner's manual. I think this is the box for the propane holder. You got your hardware here. Your knobs. Let's set this to the side. Move the styrofoam out the way. Some plastic. Set the griddle up. Set it here to remove the plastic. Let's set the grill to the side and see what I can do about here. This is the bottom shelf. Set this over here. This up. Got the two side shelves. And we got the granddaddy. The actual grilling grate. Looks like it got some cosmoline on it from the factory, but that should burn off. You got your legs that's going to fit inside of your actual griddle. And here they got these ribs on the bottom. And if you guys don't know what these ribs are for, these ribs here on the bottom is for, through the immense heat, to prevent the griddle from buckling. So let me go ahead and get this unwrapped. Comes with a little latching assembly, so when the legs go down, you can't see, but it goes right inside this little hole. Legs up. Clean this leg up here. Here's a look with the middle shelf on. You can do this as one person, but it'll be a lot easier with 2 people because as the legs fold up, they tend to want to kind of collapse back on you a little bit. It's not extremely hard to do, but it'll be a lot easier to do with 2 people. So we got the shelf up, which is supporting the legs and bracing them up. Next, we'll probably put the shelves on. All right, next, these shelves, they don't have any holes to put them in, so you take your knob here, I'm guessing just takes it down and put pressure on it. Next, we're going to put these handles on. We're going to use the short screws with the little flange washer, flange nut. The next step was put the griddle on. Once again, it asks that you have a little bit of help, but you can do it by yourself if need be. We're almost ready to go. Just gotta hook up the hardware for the propane tank. I think we're in business. Now, oops. Yeah. Grab your I got it all together, so I got me some canola oil that I'm gonna use. Got me some gloves just in case I don't burn myself. Got me a rag for spreading my oil and a little bit of paper towel. Okay. All right, I'm gonna cut the gas on. Gas is on. Push in your knob, turn it to your light level, and press your igniter. Okay, we got the first one lit. Let's cut the second one on. Second one's lit. Third one's lit. And fourth one is lit. All 4 burners are lit now. I got all burners on high. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just let it come up to temp. One good thing I like about the 36 is you got 4 burners, so it can give you zones of cooking. You can have this one on high, or you can have these 2 on high, this one here on medium. You can have this one on low. So when you finish cooking whatever you're cooking, you can move it to the side and it can still stay warm. That's a good aspect or good feature about this right here that I like. All right, it's been warming up, probably about 15-20 minutes. You can see it's kind of discolored. So now I'm going with my first application of oil. Get a good amount on there. And I'm using canola oil. I got my glove. try to get every part of your griddle. I'm not going to cut it off. I'm going to leave it on high. I'm just going to cover the griddle until all this oil dissipates. Get the edges, grease tray, get the back, even get the outside. Let me put my other glove on so I can switch hands. Now, people say how many times you're supposed to do this. But I think I'm gonna do this probably about 4 to 5 times. And then I have a pack of bacon that I got. And I'm gonna go ahead and go over it with, well, cook on it. Okay, the first application is burned off. I'll put another application on here. And once again, I'm using canola oil. If you get your chance, get some of these old welder's gloves, get some of these because it really works good. Three to 4 times. I might do it 5. It's not set in stone how many times you got to do this. Basically, you want to get the oil on there so you can start creating the non-stick surface. All right, put about 4 coats of oil on it, and now I'm just going to go in with some just some cheap bacon that I got, just to finish seasoning up before we do the other cook. If I can get it apart. I'm gonna let that go. Also, do another good way for me to check out the grease trap too. I've been looking at different little hacks. I got the heat on medium, high, or medium low, whatever you want to call it. I guess medium high. Let me scrape this thing down, and we're almost ready. Okay, this is the hack I'm gonna try. I was told that if you take a skewer and put it in there, it'll stop it from going. So let's see. Yeah, maybe on something. Okay, as you can see, the grill is all seasoned up. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and do some taco meat. Out here in San Diego, there's a lot of Mexican stores with a lot of Latin influence, and they have outstanding meat that's already seasoned. So basically, it's gonna be the first cook. We're going with a little oil. I got this one on medium high and those on low. Stir this down a little bit. This here is 4 pounds of taco meat. They can essentially cook. I got this side here on low, so I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna move it all over to this side. I'm gonna grab some corn tortillas. Just a little small ones, the little Mission corn tortilla street tacos. Just gonna put them up there, let them get a little bit of warm. Now typically out here in California, they give you 2 tacos per street taco. So we're gonna warm them up like this. We're just gonna put them on there flat top. I think these here ready to turn. Let's flip them to what we got. Oh yeah. You can make a lot of street tacos. So this thing here is perfect for if you're cooking for a crowd. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these off. I cut the last 2 burners off. So I'm gonna go and get a pan, take these in the house, and then we'll make some tacos. So here's the finished product right here. California street tacos. Just corn asada, a little pico, and a little crema. But here's the real taste test. See how this bad boy tastes. I know it's gonna be good because I eat these all the time. Only thing that I would do different next time, my corn tortillas, I won't leave them on the grill as long as I did. But overall in all, it was an outstanding eat. Meat stall. Find you some meat and griddle it.
Okay. Turn me up a little bit.